up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. Today I got some fresh live shrimp with me and I want to share with you an easy recipe. It's called tender shrimp and eggs. Fun for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. To clean the shrimp, let's remove the head along with the guts. Then peel off the shrimp. Make a cut along the back of the shrimp. Marinate the shrimp with a teaspoon salt, white pepper, and some cooking wine. Soak up the moisture with olive oil. Prepare some chopped scallion with cucumber and tomato. We garnish the plate. These 5 eggs were from home-raised free-range chicken. Add a teaspoon salt and white pepper and 2 tablespoons starch. Adding starch here is the secret to make the egg tender. Adding teaspoon salt and starch to the boiling water. Turn off the heat and add the shrimp to the water. Cook the shrimp for a minute. At low heat, slowly cook the egg and the shrimp. Stir the egg from time to time. At this time, turn off the heat and keep stir fry using the remaining warmness of the stove. When the liquid eggs turn solid, it's the perfect time to take out. This is the tender shrimp and egg I'm talking about. It's an easy recipe and tastes great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.